Hey, what's going on, champs? It's Crazy Misfit. Find out a reunited globe with another Average Joe gameplay video. Today I got Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. I'm at 3-star gold. I think he's level 60. Yeah, level 60. The moveset I like is the finger 4 leg lock, level 10, 12 charge purple move, submission, place 5 sub gems, and do 3,414 damage for 6 turns while sub gems are on the board. Remaining sub gems turn into silence gems. Low grab, level 10, 8 charge purple move, deal 9,510 damage, make 7 silence gems into green gems. And back suplex, level 10, deal 6,153 damage and make 6 random gems into purple gems. That's a 6 charge green move. There are his yellow moves. They don't really help at all. He can kind of recycle with the moves that I have, but the only way I'd put the knife edge chop in is just to do a lot more damage. You see that does 10,940 compared to the 6,153 the green does. For entourage, I have wood, so the purple moves start with 4 more MP. And gold dust. Green moves deal 30% more damage. Some other trainers you could use. Steely, if you want to get that green move off right off the back. You could use Daniel Bryant to make more purple moves. Or Zombie Brock to make your submission last longer. So let's see here. Going up against Roman Reigns. Let's see how this does. The reason why I'm showing you guys Rick is he's a league reward. So if you grind it out, you're guaranteed to get him at 4-star bronze. Another reason is I'm sure a lot of people have him. I know everything that I've done, I have done with just shards. So I've got a lot of shards for him. Looking for a green match. There it is. Also, if you guys look out there, there's a 4-star, I don't know, bronze or gold gameplay video of him. And at 4-star, he picks it up a lot. Okay, no green, no purple. I'll take the black. Make some random purples. Hopefully get a break. No break. Let's go here. Is there green? No green. Just gonna take the purple. Reason for not using that first purple move is we want to change whatever silence gems we have left from our submission back to green, so kind of use it after the submission. Okay, so we gotta try to place these places we don't think they'll get broke, and they'll stick around till our next turn. I'm just gonna go like that. Whatever's left for silence gems, we'll just turn them into green and try to fill that green move back up and start the cycle over. Sweet, they all stayed, so we're going to get a pretty good green break here. You could use the green move, but we'll just pin him. So there's Rick. Like I said, I like to use him for feuds. That's why I keep him kind of low. He's going to take some damage, but since his health is so low, it don't cost many health packs to fill him back up. And he can definitely win a lot of matches for you. He was on my second or third Fuke team. 3-star win. Do one more match with him. I think the next one will be Luke Harper. Here we go, up against Luke Harper. Yeah, see him. 2 health pick win there. And he was at the class disadvantage, so let's see how we do against somebody we're low talent against. The 6-move sub is huge for him, so. And also remember, guys, these are the Average Joe gameplay videos. No perks, average level, average trainers, just so you guys can see what they can do. Okay, just looking for green or purple. Got the purple. No green or purple. Not like any color, we're gonna have to go with the loot boxes. He took our green. Go blue. Good cascade of nothing we needed. Green. So he got 1 move off on us. Go ahead, use our submission. Took away any break that we might have, but luckily for us, it's already full. Be nice to recharge it right away though. Got a purple. This one's a lot tougher match. Hopefully we win. Comes down to this move right here pretty much. And it gave us the break. Sweet. Let's place those. And I'll show you guys, like, he's almost in danger, and we'll see how much health box it is to bring him back. You're getting your butt kicked. This game seems to take a lot longer. I thought I was playing way longer than 10 minutes there. So let's see. Even that, 5 health packs. That's not a lot compared to what you could be using on somebody. But for a solid guy, that's probably going to squeak a win out for you. I'd say it's worth it. like I said, let's see. That's not what I wanted to do. I'll see if I have any more shards of him. Yeah, I still have 78 shards, and I've leveled all this up with shards, so if you guys got the shards, it might be worth putting some coin in. It's like a second team or third team feuder for you. But yeah, that's what I got for you. Make sure to check out my roster video. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment box. If you want to criticize my gameplay, be sure to let me know how I can do better. I'm a fairly new player. But other than that, good luck on getting that 4-star gold junkyard dog. I know he would improve my roster greatly. So you guys be safe and happy smashing.